Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a tech lover, or just someone who enjoys clever designs, you're about to see tools you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. So buckle up, hit that like button early, and let's jump straight into some of the coolest tools you've ever seen. Meet the knee seat, a brilliantly designed support tool made to give your knees and ankles the comfort they truly deserve. Whether you're gardening, working on floors, or handling tasks that keep you squatting for long hours, this smart invention promises secure, portable seating that keeps your body relaxed and supported. Built with a sturdy metal frame and reinforced with twin nylon harnesses, the knee seat offers rock-solid stability without feeling heavy. In fact, it weighs only 3.9 pounds, or about 1.8 kilograms, which makes it super easy to move around wherever you need it. The main goal behind this gadget is simple: reduce strain on your knees, neck, and back during long periods of kneeling or sitting. You can even use one or two at the same time for extra support. The knee blades. Similar to the knee seat we saw earlier, this clever invention approaches comfort from a completely different angle. Instead of focusing on stationary support, the knee blades are all about mobility. Imagine compact, rounded pads, but with roller blades attached underneath. That's right, these things literally let you glide while you work. Whether you're painting, tiling, or detailing cars, you can smoothly move across the floor without ever lifting your knees off the ground. What's even cooler is that they can swivel a full 360 degrees, giving you total freedom of movement. And with just one button, you can switch them from blade mode to a regular knee pad whenever you need to stay in place. The Sali drill plate cutter. This one's a real multitasker. It works both as a powerful drill and a precision steel cutter, giving you two essential tools packed into one compact device. The spinning drill component isn't just for show. It can slice through metal sheets, ceramic tiles, and even tough plastic like it's nothing. Perfect for DIY lovers and professionals who don't want to keep switching between tools. With its dual-speed system and high-speed cutting head, the Sali drill plate cutter makes your work not only faster, but also a lot more effortless. The Rapid Pro R19. Hammer Tacker is one of those tools that looks simple, but gets the job done fast. At first glance, it resembles an ordinary stapler. This device fires staples between 0.1 and 0.2 inches, or about 4 to 6 millimeters, directly into whatever surface needs fastening. Weighing only 0.9 pounds, or 410 grams, it's incredibly light and perfect for quickly installing posters, insulation, or plastic sheets without needing any screws or nails. The Sacker. Multi-purpose scriber gadget is one of those smart little tools that make any project easier. It's a versatile marking instrument built to effortlessly leave precise lines on wood, tile, and other surfaces, even in the most awkward corners. It can easily move around bumps, holes, and tight edges without losing accuracy. You can reshape it to fit your task by simply adjusting the pencil holder and locking nut. Once you find the perfect angle, you can lock it in place for pinpoint precision. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, it's both lightweight, just 0.22 pounds, and incredibly durable. The Deck Pro is one of those tools that makes decking work smoother, faster, and way more precise. This versatile gadget is built specifically for decking and board fittings, and it's surprisingly easy to use. You simply attach it to a wooden plank, and it instantly helps with both measuring and fastening. It comes equipped with two angular tubes that hold your screws in place, making hidden fastenings simple and clean without extra effort. With the Deck Pro installer, you only need one tool, no matter how wide your deck boards are. It also features adjustable spacers, letting you fine-tune the gap between boards from 3 to 7.5 millimeters. Compatible with most standard decking boards, from 85 to 150 millimeters wide, this durable tool can withstand up to 220 pounds of pressure. The quad saw is a clever tool attachment built with 4 blades, arranged in a perfect square. It's designed as a smart, user-friendly box cutter for creating square openings for light switches, power outlets, and more. And it does it with serious precision. What makes it even better is its built-in dust removal accessory, which connects easily to most extractors. That means far less harmful dust in the air and less cleanup afterward. Specifically engineered for builders and professionals, this gadget can slice cleanly through dual layers of drywall up to 1 inch thick. The result? Perfectly square or rectangular holes, every single time. Even better, it works up to 4 times faster than traditional methods, saving huge amounts of time and labor costs on every job. The pivot is an incredibly versatile ladder accessory, acting as a multi-purpose step platform and mini workspace. It's built to sit securely beneath your ladder, giving you that extra layer of balance and safety every time you climb. It keeps your ladder stable even on stairs, uneven rooftops, or sloped ground, situations that normally make climbing risky. You can even attach it directly to your ladder, transforming it into a handy shelf, ladder jack, or standoff for added convenience during work. Equipped with strong rubber fasteners, it stays firmly in place, preventing slips, while the anti-slip polypropylene surface on top gives you confidence and security while standing. Despite being lightweight, it's tough, supporting up to 500 pounds or 220 kilograms, which actually exceeds most ladder safety ratings. The Debarker Pro lets you transform your regular chainsaw into a powerful debarker, planer, or notcher in just seconds. No complicated setup needed. It easily attaches to almost any saw bar, instantly expanding what your chainsaw can do. This clever little gadget becomes your best friend on construction projects, helping you carve out holes and prepare wood for barns, fences, or even bridge frames with absolute precision. It's perfect for removing bark, dirt, and residue, giving your logs a smooth, clean finish that's ready for shaping, joining, or turning into beautiful plywood pieces. At its core, it runs on a 3.8-inch, 9.5 centimeters pitch chain that powers a drum with 2 sharp planer blades, each 3.25 inches, 8.3 centimeters long. The real Avid Carbon Boss for AR-15, an innovative multi-purpose kit built to clean and preserve your Armalite rifle. Constructed from durable, non-tempered stainless steel, the Carbon Boss specializes at removing carbon buildup across 13 critical areas: bolt, bolt carrier, firing pin, and bolt cam pin. It outperforms similar cleaning tools thanks to remarkable speed and efficiency. A patented spinning brush scrubs components effortlessly. When you buy the Carbon Boss kit, you receive a set of precision cleaning tools plus a ballistic nylon pouch for secure storage and easy transport. Everything designed so maintenance becomes faster, neater, and even more reliable. The pitch hopper is a detachable leveling platform you clip onto sloped or uneven surfaces to create a safe, level standing area. Despite weighing only 7 pounds, 3 kilograms, this clever wedge supports up to 250 pounds, 113 kilograms. Just pick up the pitch hopper and carry it where you need it. Its ergonomic, handheld design and symmetrical grip points on both sides make maneuvering across a roof quick and easy. To lock it in place, align the base with the shingles and press down firmly. A special foam layer on the underside forms a gripping bond with asphalt shingles. Once your weight and friction engage, the hopper holds steady. Motorcycle Stand is a versatile support system built to hold your bike steady on any kind of terrain. Whether it's uneven concrete or rough asphalt. Specifically crafted for Ducati motorcycles, it ensures solid anchorage while parked or even during transport. What truly makes this tool stand out are the dual wheels on each side, designed to make maneuvering your bike smooth and effortless. You can roll it forward, backward, or even side to side with total control. The real magic lies in its wheel system. Spherical wheels with tiny built-in rollers that allow two-axis movement at once. This omnidirectional design means you can glide your bike exactly where you want it to go. If you enjoyed discovering these awesome tools, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you love seeing the world's most mind-blowing tools and gadgets, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload.